All right, another problem, another two equations to look at. So our two equations this time are as follows. So let's look at Elena's first. So Elena is saying that 35 plus W plus 41 is equal to 180 degrees. That means when you put them all together, they make that straight angle or that straight line, which indeed they do. So Elena's is correct. So let's check Diego's though before we move on to just to make sure that Elena's is the only one that is an option to be used here. So Diego is saying that 35 plus W, let's do that in a different color. So 35 plus W is equal to 180. That means that when you put them together, they make that straight angle. Means when you put them together, they make that straight line. So when you put these two angles together, unfortunately, they do not make a straight line. So that means that Diego's equation is actually not accurate. So we're not going to use it. So we are going to go with Elena's. So let us continue. 35 plus W plus 41 is equal to 180. Alrighty, so this is what I call a two-step equation because we have a variable on one side, we have two constants or two other things other than the variable, and then we still have the one thing on the other side, the equal sign. So in order to get the W all by itself, I have to first combine the two constants that are on that side. So that means I need to take 35 plus 41, and I get 76. So I can rewrite this as a 76 plus W equals 180. Those two equations that I have written up here, so this one and this one, they mean the exact same thing. All I did was add the two constants on the right side of the equal sign together. All right, so now I have created a handy-dandy one-step equation because there is only one thing I need to do in order to get the W all by itself, and that is subtracting 76 from both sides. So when you subtract 76 after adding 76, that is going to get you right back to your original number. So those cancel each other out effectively. You're left with a W on the left side, and you're left with 104 degrees on the right side. And since we only have one angle measure that we needed to solve for in this problem, we are actually done.